Good grader. Yeah.
But she likes you. Like he's just Nancy. He just has. That's why I have on his license plate at home on the car. It's called. His license plate says Bird Whisperer. He just birds love him.
Okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah. Oh, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yeah. Pretty bird. Yeah.